And in this little video we want to show you how to insert a figure into an existing document. So let's open our document, and it says in the first line, if a gas is present in the headspace above a water surface at room temperature as shown in figure X, and that figure doesn't exist yet, so we want to insert that figure under this bit of text. So what we do is we click on figure, then going to choose insert image, and we assuming we haven't got the image stored yet, so we add a new image, select the file, choose, you need to know where you've stored your image, choose that image, open, upload, use, select the image and use that image, and we then want it 70% wide relative to the text, and we want it listed as a figure. That's important. And we want to enable the caption, so you can disable or enable the caption. We want to enable it, so click on insert, and as you can see we've got our image here. We can now just click onto the caption, gas to liquid mass transfer, and we now, as you can see, we have no link, no automatic link yet, so we delete the manual text, and we now want to link to this figure here. And what you need to do is click on this icon here, choose cross-reference, and then select target, and as you can see our figure shows up already. So choose your figure and insert. So as you can see we have now linked our text to figure number 1. Thanks for watching.